you hear the song? Do you also hear it every day in the morning? Well, so what is the song about? The song is about garbage, right? The garbage truck plays the song. So, our today's topic is also about garbage. The name of the chapter is Sort Your Garbage. Okay, now what exactly is garbage? I hope you all know that every day we dump some things into the dustbin. So what are the things that we dump into the dustbin? We dump all those things that are not useful for us, right? They can be vegetable peels, fruit peels, then some paper bags, polythene bags. There are so many things, right, that are not useful for us. So what are all these things? All of these things are included in the garbage, right? We dump all these things into the dustbin, and what do we do with the dustbin then? Where do we dump it? We dump it into the garbage truck, right? So what will happen if we do not dispose the garbage? It can harm the environment, right? So it is very, very necessary to dispose the garbage. Alright? Well, how do we dispose the garbage now? I guess you all must be knowing that garbage is categorized into dry waste and wet waste. Now what is dry waste and what all items are included in wet waste? Let's see. Dry waste includes items such as plastic covers, milk packets, paper, rubber, wood and metals. All of these items are included in the dry waste. And wet waste usually includes vegetable peels, fruit peels, old flowers, eggshells, then tea bags, leftover food. All of these things are included in the wet waste. Can we reuse the waste? We can reuse some of the dry waste items. Many of you must have heard about the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Do you know that the notebook in which you write, that can also be recycled? If you're writing in a notebook that has white pages, then it can be recycled. And if you have seen, there are some notebooks available in the market which have yellow colored and black colored pages. Those notebooks are the recycled notebooks. वो जो notebooks होती है वो कैसे बनती है? जिन pages पर already आप लिख चुके होते हो, उनको recycle करके फिर दोबारा से notebooks बनाई जाती है. But then वो white color की नहीं होती है. They are either of yellow color or of greyish black color. Okay? Alright. So this is how हम dry waste को reuse कर सकते हैं. But what about the wet waste? Vegetable peels, fruit peels, इन सब का हम कुछ कर सकते हैं? Yes, they can be used as compost for plants. Now what is compost? Okay, आपके घर में plants है? You have plants at your home, right? तो जो plants का pot होता है, उसमें soil होता है, right? So what can you do? जो vegetable peels और fruit peels होते हैं, you can put them inside the soil. Then what will happen? जो आपके vegetable peels and fruit peels है, over time they are also going to convert into soil. और क्या होगा? उनसे plants को बहुत सारे nutrients मिलेंगे. Because जो vegetable peels होते हैं और fruit peels होते हैं, they have lots of nutrients in them. So they are very good for the plants. Okay? Alright now. In the exercise that we have in the book, on page number 32, you will be able to see 2 columns. One column is of dry waste and the other column is of wet waste. And A list has been provided over there where they have fallen leaves in the garden, banana peels, soft drink cans, empty plastic juice carton, spoiled curd and empty pen refills. Now you have to categorize these items into dry waste and wet waste. Dry waste means सूखा कचरा, right? And wet waste means गीला कचरा. Now जब गार्बेज ट्रक आता है आपके घर के बाहर तो मम्मा क्या करती है? मम्मा पापा whoever dumps the garbage, वो क्या करता है? वो एक ही डस्टबिन लेकर जाते हैं क्या? उसी के अंदर सारा कचरा होता है आपके घर का, like vegetable peels, fruit peels, then paper, rubber, wood, plastic packets, सब कुछ उसी में होता है? No, right? I'm sure that everyone must be having at least 2 dustbins at home. One for wet waste and one for dry waste. So, जो आपका wet waste वाला डस्टबिन होता है उसको आप कहाँ पर डंप करते हो? गार्बेज ट्रक में there are sections. तो जो wet waste वाला डस्टबिन होता है उसे आप wet waste वाला जो सेक्शन होता है उसमें डंप करते हो, और जो ड्राई वेस्ट वाला डस्टबिन होता है उसे आप कहाँ डंप करते हो? जो ट्रक में ड्राई वेस्ट का सेक्शन होता है, राइट? ओके, so in the same way we are also going to categorize today. The first one is fallen leaves in the garden. Now, what do you think about fallen leaves in the garden? Are we going to put it into the wet waste or in the dry waste? We are going to put fallen leaves into the garden into the wet waste. Now you must be wondering that ma'am, fallen leaves गीली तो होती नहीं है, they are all dried. Yes, you are right. Fallen leaves जो होती है वो wet नहीं होती है, they are dried, but they are not included in the dry waste. They are included in the wet waste. Because wet waste में हम वो सारी चीजें इंक्लूड करता है जो जिससे हम कंपोस्ट बना सकते हैं. I told you now that हम मिट्टी में जिन सारी चीजों को डाल देते हैं एंड ओवर टाइम वो भी मिट्टी में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, उन सारी चीजों को हम कहां पर डाल सकते हैं? इन द वेट वेस्ट. सो इन द सेम वे जो फॉलन लीव्स होती है उन्हें आप मिट्टी में डाल सकते हो. And what will happen? Over some time, after some time, those fallen leaves are also going to convert into soil. Okay? The next one is empty plastic juice carton. What is empty plastic juice carton? You all bring juices? Some juices come in bottles, some come in small cartons made of cardboard, right? They are made of cardboard, then they are made of plastic. So, ये जो cartons होते हैं, are they wet waste or dry waste? They are dry waste. Why are they dry waste? क्योंकि आप प्लास्टिक से या पेपर से कभी मिट्टी बनती है? नहीं बनती है. Never. So, empty plastic juice carton comes in dry waste. Okay? The next one is banana peels. Everyone loves bananas? Okay, so how do you eat bananas? Do you eat them with the peels or without the peels? Obviously, you peel the banana first, right? Okay, so what do you do with the peels? You dump the peels into wet waste. As I told you that fruit peels and vegetable peels both are included in the wet waste. Okay? Alright. The next one is spoilt curd. What is the meaning of spoilt? Spoilt means sada hua and curd means dahi. Now you must have heard your mama saying that आज का दही तो बहुत खट्टा हो गया है. So what does that mean? That the curd has spoiled. So in that case, what is done? Can you eat spoiled curd? No, now. So what do? You dump it. Now, where are you going to dump it? Into the wet waste or the dry waste? You are going to dump it into the wet waste. Okay? Now, the next one is soft drink cans. What are soft drink cans made of? They are made up of metal. Okay. And where do we put metals? Into the dry waste or the wet waste? We dump metal into the dry waste. So, where are we going to dump the soft drink cans? Into the dry waste. Okay. Now the last one is empty pen refills. Okay, right now, you all use a pencil to write, right? But when you will grow up, then what are you going to use? You are going to use a pen to write now. So, when you use a pen, there are refills inside a pen. And what are the refills made up of? The refills are made up of plastic. So, क्या होता है आप जब पेन से लिखते जाते हो तो जो refills होती है उनमें इंक होती है, वो जो इंक होती है वो खत्म हो जाती है. Just it works the same like pencils. आप अगर एक पेंसिल लेकर आते हो तो वह पेंसिल आप हमेशा उसी से लिख सकते हो क्या? जब आप पेंसिल को शार्पन करोगे तो आपकी पेंसिल बहुत छोटी सी हो जाती है, राइट? देन कैन यू राइट विद द सेम पेंसिल फॉर द होल ईयर? नो, राइट? इन द सेम वे इफ यू आर राइटिंग विद द पेन, तो पेन में जो रिफिल्स होती है जब उनमें इंक खत्म हो जाती है तो यू नीड टू चेंज देम. सो जो वो प्लास्टिक की एम्प्टी रिफिल्स होती है, where are you going to dump those refills? Into the wet waste or the dry waste? Into the dry waste, right? Okay. So now I guess this chapter must be very clear to all of you. And I want you all to think of more items that we can put into wet waste and into the dry waste. Okay, everyone? I'll see you next time then. Bye, everyone.